I really like being outside, actually. I love being outside. Even if it's been a long day, 95% of the time what we do is we just come into the backyard, and that's where we spend our time. It's not just grass and bushes and flowers, it's a place to go and a place to be. From a small town, Livingston, and there was no real opportunity there. You know, it was like you worked at the gas station or the feed store. I was really looking to do, more. I went to Angelina College, got an automotive certificate. I liked working on older things, working with my hands. Quickly soon after it, everything went real computerized. It just wasn't as hands-on. I just woke up one morning and I was like, hey, I'm gonna start mowing lawns. I'm quitting my job.
Asked him like, where did that come from? And he just was like, I don't know. That's something I want to do.
I bought like a real cheap mower and a real cheap trailer. It was only like 2 months, I think, into doing that. I was so busy. It was like either do this or do that. And so I just jumped into it.
We did not have an office. We were working out of the house with 3 kids, and it's just super crazy.
I was doing a bunch of schooling. It was just a gradual thing, like we moved into doing this. And then we'd move a little further until, now it's full-on outdoor professional services. We do basically everything.
Our mission statement is to create beautiful spaces, preserve the environment, and be more for others.
Create beautiful spaces is literally that's what we do. And then preserve the environment is something we believe strongly in.
We love to create bee, butterfly, and hummingbird-friendly landscapes so that they've got something to snack on when they're going through your yard. Ultimately started this business to create a better life for ourselves and for our kids. And we want to continue that on for our employees to create a better life for themselves. We've created some really great spaces for our clients. We've taken completely unusable spaces in people's backyards after new construction and turned it into a very functional place for them to spend time with their family.
It opens that space up and it allows room for people to spend time together and make memories. And one of our core values is actually dream catcher, memory maker, which is taking someone's vision or creating a vision for someone who doesn't know what they want and bringing that to life.
I think that really is important to us too, because we have a family of our own and we want to be able to enjoy our space with our kids as well and create a memory every time we go outside.